areas you master in.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So now I think
Okay.
first I'll start with introduction. You have started with recording.
Right. I have started the recording and will be starting. So welcome, Miss Anita, to a Zoom meet with us. So my name is Lokesh Dave, and we run a digital marketing agency, full-fledged digital marketing agency, which is we are into like all the verticals of digital marketing, starting from search engine management, social media management, ORM, online reputation management, and you name it, we have it. Like we also are
Mhm.
into the infra development of digital marketing or digital media, like say website development, apps, and all. So right now we are catering to around 15 plus industries with around 5 to 600 clients, and yeah, that's all. Like so, our client come to us for the branding, for the lead generation, for regional branding in across world. So in India, outside India, we have good presence through our digital media or marketing services and all that thing. So I would like to know a little about you, then we'll be taking it further from here onwards. Like this.
Yeah, correct. So I I am Anita Myana representing CertifyEra Consulting Services, which is into mainly into trainings and certifications for the working professionals.
Okay.
So we cater to both individual working professionals as well as the corporates having training requirements for their workforce.
Okay.
And we specialize in project management courses, business analysis trainings, agile courses, Scrum certification courses, and even other technology courses. So when I said business analysis or project management, so these courses are not just limited to IT industry, but these are also applicable for non-IT industry professionals and even the corporate organizations.
Okay.
So we have been into this space since last 4+ years, and we don't have many clients as such. Like we have only 3 to 4 corporate clients with whom we deal with for regular training needs.
Right.
Other than that, we run open batches on our platform in which the professionals aspiring to be PMP certified, they enroll with us on
Right.
website.
Right.
And even we have other courses like CAPM, we have Agile Certified Practitioner, we have Scrum Master and Product Owner courses in which our prospects, like who aspire to be Scrum Masters, who aspire to be certified on Agile methodology and different project management approaches, they enroll with us. So our
Understood.
prospect clients are not only the corporate organizations, but also the individual working people who are looking for gaining some project management skills, business analysis skills, or agile skills, because agile is booming like anything in any of the industries. And people are curious to know what this agile methodology is and
Yeah.
how that can
I
be
also am
applied for their
eager. I'm
projects.
eager to understand your agile word. And can you just make it a layman language where a person can understand the value addition in the career when he'll be in the mid career or the starting of the career or the like something like that.
Yeah, right. So when today, if you go to your client and if your client is asking you to provide some service or some product, so now if you give him an estimate that you will be creating that product in next 10 months, so your client might tell you like, I cannot wait for 10 long months. Can you give me some part of the product every 2 weeks or every month so that the client will be able to get some value frequently or right from the start of the project, and he need not wait till the end of the project.
Right.
So
Okay.
in Agile, you will be developing the product in small increments and you will keep on delivering it to the customer, delivering value to the customer early and helping the customer to achieve their business goals. So
Understood.
this is possible with Agile. But with traditional project management, what we do is we work for 10 complete months and then we deliver the product to the customer.
Okay.
So this helps the businesses to realize their goals early, and this also helps to meet the urgent business problems and business needs in any of the industry, like whether it is e-commerce industry, IT industry, the pharmaceutical industry, petrochemical industry, any of the industries. So recently we have conducted some of the PMP events for petrochemical organization like Nayara. We have been doing regular trainings for Society General, which is which is a financial organization. Nayara is a petrochemical organization.
I think it
We
started
also
from
do
SR,
regular,
right? Naira. It's a SR
right?
venture.
Sorry,
It's a SR venture, right? Naira.
SR venture. As in, it is
ESSAR. There's a company name SR. Myra is
correct,
a
correct,
venture of
correct,
SR.
correct. Right, right. It is actually Russia-based
Mm.
sister concern. Yeah.
Mm. Right.
And we did trainings for Virtusa IT Solutions. We did trainings for Mahindra Finance because Mahindra Finance is into finance space.
Okay.
But they have their working professionals who wanted to learn Agile and wanted to implement Agile methodology in their projects, and they are
Right.
developing and trying to follow these approaches.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, so I would like to share my website with you,
Right.
Lokesh.
Okay.
So
Yeah, sure.
please give me a moment. And on my website, I'll directly take you to the PMP course so that you will be able to understand like how we schedule our regular batches, and you will have an idea like who can be my prospect clients.
Okay.
Like you might have some of your friends or your ex-colleagues or some of your relatives. So I've shared it in the chat box.
Okay.
Please try to
Can you
access
share
the
a screen
link.
and then show us? We get it.
Right. Okay, fine. Yeah, that can also be done. It's not allowing me to share the screen,
I
please. Okay,
allowed.
thanks. So here, my website is certifyera.com. In CertifyEra, we have project management courses. We have agile courses. Under project management, one of the important and globally recognized courses, PMP certification. And this is the standard rate for only the training for the individual professional. So under PMP course, if you go and see the batches, so this is how the batches are scheduled month on month, so that people may directly go and enroll as part of this batch, or they might also talk to our sales coordinators who are present online on this chat tool. Other than that, they can also make a call to our sales team, so the numbers are available, and even the email IDs, all contact details are available for them to contact through any mode of communication.
Understood.
Other than that, like if the person is not eligible for PMP, so PMP is for some experienced people. If the person is lacking the experience and if he still wants to go for project management training, then CAPM is the another certification, which is again governed by PMI. And this is for this, they don't need any kind of formal project management experience or anything. Even a fresher can go and attend this training and learn the project management skills and different other approaches that can be applied in their projects
Right.
to help the organizations effectively manage the projects.
Understood.
Other than this, we have agile courses. So under agile methodology, I have like Agile Business Professional, Agile Product Owner Bridge. And this PMI ACP is Agile Certified Practitioner. This is again with PMI, Project Management Institute, which is a globally recognized organization, non-profit organization based out of US.
Okay.
And PMI only manages these certifications. And my organization is the authorized training partner of PMI.
Okay.
So once the person comes on my platform, after taking this training, they can also buy the PMI membership and exam from us.
Okay.
And upon completion of this training or while this training is going on, they will get access to my LMS, Learning Management System,
Okay.
in which there are study material, there are mock tests, simulators, the practice test, and even the mathematical problems, the sample questions, everything is there. So that the student will first undergo the training and then they will go and prepare for it and then they will take the exam.
Understood.
So
Right.
this is how the complete process is about these project management and agile certified practitioner courses. And if the corporates have some maybe customized project management training requirement, if it is not certification, suppose they want their workforce to understand project management, those trainings can also be conducted maybe for 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and so on. Other than that, we have customized agile training and even business analysis training, in which like any of the industry client, whether it is a finance industry, banking, or IT, or is it maybe petrochemical industry clients who are struggling to conduct business analysis and they are trying to understand what are the requirements of the organization and how they can turn this into the solutions in the form of technology.
Right. Okay.
So the business analysts are playing a major role in understanding the requirements and creating the solutions for their clients. So these are the courses for any of the industry organization. And these are some of the courses that we have, which are in live online mode, whether they need the training in live online mode or whether they need the trainer to be in their office and conduct the training. That is also there. That is also available. And these trainings are also available in e-learning form. So, but PMI is going through some of the changes and they are actually trying to bring into practice some of the mandates that we should not run these courses in the form of e-learning. That is the reason we have stopped e-learning courses and we are only running as live online or as per the requirement of the corporate, maybe of on-site trainings.
Okay. Okay.
So
Understood.
now I would also tell you about like who are my regular individual professional clients.
That was my
Like
next
we
question.
have,
Yeah. That was my next question, was that which type of audience you are looking for, like to target as well.
yeah. So like my prospect clients can be any of the IT professional working in IT industry, having maybe 2 to 3 years of experience,
Okay.
or any non-IT industry person who is into manufacturing, but he is trying to learn project management skills,
Okay.
or any of the person from any other maybe location. Location is not a constraint. Whether
Okay.
whether you have your friend or your brother or your sister who might be settled in maybe Ireland and she might be looking out for PMP course.
Right.
So yes, so that way you may refer, because we
Okay.
have people from Ireland, we have people from Australia, we have trained people from Oman, South Sudan, Africa, and
Okay.
these all regions. I'm not saying the volume was too high, but the diversity of the students that I have trained, it is too much diverse, like
Okay.
from across different locations geographically,
Mm-hmm.
since these are global certifications.
Okay.
And yeah, so we have conducted even one of the corporate training just 2 months back for one of the Hong Kong client, wherein like they had their workforce from different locations. Again, the corporate had a requirement to conduct it live online because there were people from Africa, there were people from Hong Kong and Malaysia and one more location. So 4 location people, there were 40 people in the batch.
So,
So that is the reason. Yeah, I conduct the training mostly live online.
okay.
Yeah.
So I want to ask you that, like you were saying about corporate training. So that in your training, it is like
Hmm.
a kind of people who are managing project only, they'll be participating, or anybody from HR or sales or accounts or technical team, all can participate in the program, the corporate training program.
So in the corporate training program, as you rightly asked, most of the audience will be those who are into project management and delivery, who are actually doing projects, who are actually managing projects for the client, who are actually maybe creating some product or delivering some service to the client. Those are the prospect or the right candidates. And even HR and different other domain professionals also attend these trainings to understand like what all best practices can be implemented for project management. Yeah. So
Okay.
yes, the right audience or the exact audience are those who are already part of the projects or who are part of some operational team, but they want to move to project management. So they want to move to maybe high up in their career ladder. They want to elevate themselves. Right now, they might be playing the team leader role, but they are looking out for project manager role for which they need to hone these skills. So
Okay.
like these could be the prospect clients. Like anybody, yes, most of the, because in India or in Mumbai or like in other metro cities, we have a too much crowd of IT professionals. So IT professionals can be the right candidate in the at any level of their career. And from the other industries, people from projects or people even from manufacturing background, they go for these trainings because they are also managing projects. Even in healthcare industry, they are also managing projects, so they go for it. So we also did some of the workshops like 2 years back, 3 years back for US organization and even for North America corporates. through some partnership with some other organization, but we did it for some overseas clients as well.
Okay. Okay, understood. See, as per my experience of last 18 to 20 years of industry experience, what I understand that the project management is very critical. It is like a making or breaking the company, because the project management have a timeline, have a efficiency, have a outcome, like, and this is like, the communication gaps, and, somebody is going this way, somebody is going that way, round of meetings and all. So like project management, if you have a SOP, standard SOPs, like the big giants like Amazon or companies are following this SOPs.
Correct.
And in Indian,
Correct.
like the companies are having a 500 strength or 1,000 strength, but there is no SOP, standard SOP. Nobody knows what is the project management. So
Yeah.
all the loose ends, and it creates a big
Yeah.
burden financially to the company and for the efficiency also to the company. So this is very critical for having a project management streamlined with the SOPs of the company standards or the
Correct.
way of functioning.
Right.
Right.
Correct. So once the people are equipped with these all skills, they would be able to standardize their project management policies and processes that they are implementing in their
Understood.
projects. Because having managed or having part of this game for over 17 to 18 years,
Right.
myself have been playing multiple roles in the projects. I
Understood.
have followed the organizational standards, policies, and even the maturity processes so as to uplift the company's maturity level up to CMML level 5 and more. So we
Okay.
had to follow all those processes.
So,
So
so I'm asking you, as per your in your services, you are limited up to giving trainings, or you take part in the execution also, like execution of
currently, yeah, consulting is not started
okay,
because earlier I was completely into execution because I was on job. So
okay,
after I started this venture, like this is only into training certifications,
understood, right,
and consulting I have not yet started because that goes into long term. So
understood,
these are like short duration courses, like PMP
okay,
is 35 hours, like 4 full days.
mm-hmm.
CAPM is 3 full days.
Mm-hmm.
So Agile Scrum Master is 2 full days.
Right.
So these are the short-term courses that I have with me right
Okay.
now.
Understood. Right. Understood. Now I got a complete clarity of what exactly you do and how you do, and where to place
Great.
this particular product in where. So like in industry,
Right.
there are two type of companies. One is the product-based company and other is the service-based company. So
Both
product-based
are
company,
applicable.
yeah. So
Right.
product-based companies like, can be seen what is happening, but in the service-based industry is like the opportunities are more. Okay. So just a second.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what I'll do, I'll just give you a quick glimpse of what we are into and how we do
Yeah,
and what we
please.
do and all. So I'll share my screen with
Yeah.
you.
I'm sharing my
Yeah,
screen. Yeah,
right.
please go on. Are you sharing? Okay, now it is loaded.
Yeah. So, just give me a second. So there are so many tabs are on my PC, so it is little.
Yeah, I understand. Even I have many things open. Everybody has that clutter on their
Yeah.
screens today.
Okay, so our company's name is WDMC. So we are into full-fledged digital marketing solutions and all. And I will not take much. So the major highlights of services which we do is like the website designs and app development and all, data-driven decision making, where we make tableaus and driving a decision through the data which we have collected. And then we have online reputation management, data, digital marketing management, social media management, search media management. If somebody wants to become an influencer, like say nowadays a trend is happening that everybody would like to have an industry influencer, whether it is
Hmm.
a hardcore industry or software service industry or something like that. We help them become an industry influencer, and then the lead generation campaigns and all which we do for the industries like this way. So I'll be directly going to there are some of the case studies and everything is available on our site. So now I'll be just directly going to our clients. So presently we have around 14 or 15 plus industry where we have worked it. So we have included like tech industry, food industry, retail industry, education industry,
Great.
non-profit, beverages, management, media and print industry, medical health industry, facility management, coach, consultant, advisory industry. So we have a huge client list. If you click any of the page, you're going to see the name of the clients and whoever we work with, like,
Yeah, I have seen these
Yeah,
yesterday.
right,
Yeah,
right.
I've gone through your
Yeah. So,
website.
and if you,
And
and we have also done the tie-up with overseas channel partners. If you just go
okay,
scroll down to our website, you are going to see my, activities on the social media platform. Over there, you are going
correct.
to see this, like all the tie-ups with
Correct.
multiple
I've seen
regional
these
tie-up.
photographs also.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
you were there in person with those people in their region
No,
for collaboration?
it's a conclave was there. So we have I have
Okay,
attended a
concrete.
conclave, and in that we have done the mutual agreeable tie-up with multiple region representative. So
Okay,
they
great.
are like a channel partner to us in their particular region. So whatever services
Okay,
which we are providing, they are going to give us access in their region. So we have like say
okay,
Korea, Spain, Azerbaijan,
great.
North Korea,
Right,
Egypt, Greece. We have also Romania, Japan, Georgia. So you will see on my Instagram platform what all things we are doing like this way. So
great,
what we can do is that we can place you in our in our categories of the clients, and we can see to that how we can work out together and how we can collab and how we can
correct.
go forward like this way. So our strategy is like
Right.
we do provide digital marketing solution, and it is a long term associate with the client. It's not a
Correct.
means like it's not up to a training programs and all that. So we give a strategy, like say if you go to our strategy part, so all the
Hmm.
industry, whichever industry we are having, in the strategy part, you are going to see all the type of strategy which we give to our client, how to go about like this.
Okay.
Okay, so this is how we are
Okay.
working on that. So it's a more or less a custom driven approach we have, and I see more or less it is all strategy driven approach. Like we give a strategy, custom strategy, and when then we'll start the execution model of the particular implementation of the varieties of the services which customer will start working out as per the budget and the timeline. Yeah.
Okay, great.
So
And
this
the
is the
project management tool that is mentioned on your screen. So
Mhm.
which project management tools you are suggesting or you are
Project management.
using?
So we in our case, like we have so many project management tools in digital marketing domain. So it's not a
Mhm.
hardcore project management.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
but you might be using some tools, right, for managing the
we use Slack,
teamwork.
Slack, SL.
Okay, Slack.
Yeah, Slack. So usually that is
Okay.
the majorly tool we are, and then we have a lot of WhatsApp automation tools we have. So that also help us out in getting the things done.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So, like into digital marketing space, do you provide the services for Google ad
Yeah,
marketing?
all means like you can see our services. Here there's the services. So these are all the services which we do. So search engine optimization,
Great.
social media optimization, search engine marketing, e-commerce management, business growth consulting, lead generation, digital growth, WhatsApp marketing, affiliate marketing, review management, YouTube channel management, animation video, computer analysis, web development, everything. You name it, we have it.
Okay.
And we
Great,
have done with
great.
a lot of clients, and most of the clients, 90% clients are happy. So you cannot make
Hmm.
all the clients happy, but 95% clients are all good to go about like this way. Yeah.
Great. But I also wanted to understand and have an idea about the pricing that you have so that like if I approach any of my acquaintance, so I should have some approximate number in place, right? So like when
The
you
the when we are talking about the pricing, as in I told you that we do not have a the package driven model. So it's all about the customization like this way. So whenever you are going to reach any client, you need to have that particular, which client you are going to reach. We'll give
Hmm.
a strategy number and the pointers to follow 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So whenever you are approaching, you can talk to the client that which you would like to go about, and our team member can get involved in your pitch, second or third pitch once the client is okaying for having a discussion, further discussion kind of thing. Like,
Okay.
yeah. So we can have
Okay.
that. Way.
So, but like when you provide the digital marketing service, it might be like monthly subscription kind
Yeah,
of
though
service that you
in
might be.
digital marketing, there are two things. One is the infra development, other is the
Hmm.
marketing. Okay. So infra development is like app development, website development, all comes into infra. So that is a
SEO and
one-time
all.
cost. So no,
Right.
SEO is a running cost. So infra is the
Okay.
website and app development or software development or a Tableau
Mm.
development or something like that. That is a one time.
Mm.
And when I'm talking
Correct.
about marketing is a continuous process where every month the service charges will be there. Other
Mm-hmm.
than that, there's a budget, client budget, which will be budget goes directly to the platform like social media platform or Google or something like that. So that is a
Mm-hmm.
variable stuff like this way. So usually what we do
Okay.
is that we show client as per the industry. I'll give you example. So
Mm-hmm.
once again, I'll give you example. So now I'm just opening my this folder where we have a lot of strategy. So now let's say
Yeah,
we have
please.
a one client. The client was for corporate gift. Okay. So
Okay.
now we have made
Are you sharing your screen? It is not shared right now.
one second.
Yeah, please.
So can you see now? Can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah. It's
Yeah.
loading. Yeah, now it is visible.
Yeah. So now let's say when we are approaching a doctor as an industry, medical industry.
Hmm.
Okay. So
Hmm.
we talk to them what we are, then we send them a brochure and all. And in the second meeting, we send them a strategy. Okay.
Okay.
Something like this, the strategy shared with the doctor, something like this. So digital marketing strategy for the doctors and the medical professionals. Okay. So
Great.
now we tell them how to go about, what to do, how to do, and everything like this way. So we give them a full-fledged picture how to with the ROI and the facts and figures.
Mm-hmm.
So World DMC ROI driven digital marketing strategy for doctors and medical practitioners. Now, did you know these are the facts? Then that's where the DMC comes into picture.
Hmm.
Yeah, so these
Okay.
are all the pointers which we give. So and then doctors talk about particular thing which they would like to go about, and then we come to the
Mm-hmm.
budgeting and all that thing. So it's a
Okay.
consultative driven approach we use. Once the client understand that what will be what will be the plan of action and how the services will be delivered to them. So
Mm-hmm.
it's not a package driven.
Okay.
This means like it's not a fixed thing which is going to be delivered like this.
Okay. Okay, understood. So I also would like to share about like my the customer satisfaction rate. I would like to share my screen with you. Please give me a moment. Like we keep on collecting the reviews
Right.
from
Okay.
our clients.
Right.
So the students, these are actually individual students' reviews as well as
I cannot
the,
see your screen. If you can just share me your screen.
I'm sharing. Please give a moment. Okay. Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Is it visible now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So like I would like to randomly run through some of these reviews. So here
Understood.
you, if you see Mayomona, I think
Mm.
this student is from South Sudan.
Okay.
Like what these are the reviews from
Right,
that
right,
person.
right.
Like
Okay.
this person was from Middle East.
Mm-hmm.
So and she is a project consultant who had taken the project management PMP training from us. Poonam is from Singapore location. So
Mm-hmm.
she also did PMP training with us. And this person is from, yes, Singapore. She also did PMP. And look at the comments, like their reviews and even the comments that they are putting, the experience that they have with us, how satisfied our clients are.
Right.
Not only the
Understood.
individuals. See, these are the individual reviews. Other than that, we also have the reviews from the corporate heads. Like after they attend
Right.
the training, like what is their satisfaction level?
Understood.
So I can also show you, run through some of my, yeah, let me show you on my Google page itself. I keep on posting the regular events and workshops that I do. And I also keep on posting the different, okay, please. Let me take you to my posts. Actually, on social media, my name is Anita Ankam.
Okay.
It's Anita Ankam or Anita Myana. I'll share my link with you towards the end of this session. So like I keep on sharing these posts. Other than this, like I also share the events that I do and also the satisfaction level of the participants. Like if you see this post, in this post, Sorry. Because I have consolidated their reviews into like average rating.
Understood.
Otherwise, I have individual mails from
Understood.
the
Right.
for the feedback that is submitted.
Right.
Whether
Right.
it is business analysis, agile, or technology training or PMP, all our students are highly satisfied with the way the training is
Understood. Right.
conducted, the
Mm.
way it is structured, the way it is, how effective it is
Right.
for them to get certified and also hone those skills to be applied in their projects.
Right. Understood. Okay. Really appreciate. Like.
Yeah, so thank you, sir. Yeah, yeah. So you may till until you share other details about your service and also more details, I'll try to pull out my brochure, my
Yeah.
organization brochure to be handy with you, so that if you are referring
Yeah. Yeah.
to
Sure.
some
Right. True.
many maybe
Yes.
individual or any of the organization, you may share that brochure with them so
Right.
that
True.
they will be able to have a glimpse of what all trainings we have and how it will be helpful for them or their workforce.
Yes. Sure. Definitely. So I already the some of the clients' name are popping up in my mind where I can refer
Great,
you. We'll get it on the rolling, and let's see how we can take it further from here onwards.
great.
And
Yeah, great to
you
know
share all
that,
the details to
Lokesh.
me. I'll also share my all the details to you. You can have a look, and then you can see to that how we can work it out further like this way.
Correct, correct. So
So
could I think I have your email ID.
yeah,
So
yeah, all the
shall I use the
details.
same email ID which you
Yeah, you
shared
can
on the
use the same email
card?
ID. Yeah, yeah. You can use the same email ID which is mentioned on my visiting card, or else you can use my Gmail also. That's I'll send you on that like as per your choice.
Okay. Yeah, so I'll forward even my contact card over WhatsApp
Yeah.
so that you will have it with you. Yes. So it's done.
Okay. Cool.
I've
So
shared my cards and
yeah, we will catch up next time with the proper numbers and the details and the names, and we can say how we can collab and we can take it further from there onwards. Like,
yes, yes, that
okay.
would really be
So
great, sir. And
thank
yeah,
you so much, Anita ji. It was lovely to having a having an interaction with you, and it was a lot of knowledge we got to know. This project management I was knowing and understanding since last many years, but the impact and the implementation aspect of this particular learning is very important to cut the cost of mismanagement and create a SOPs in the in the process of any organization which is like product based organization
correct.
or maybe a service-based organization like this way. So thank you so much for
Right,
your time and your
right.
learning. We'll definitely keep
Yeah.
growing together. And yeah, that's all.
Yeah, correct, sir. So shall I share the brochure over WhatsApp or would you prefer it
as
over
as
email?
as you like, you can send me email or brochure. WhatsApp is little handy, so that would be great on that. Like
Yeah, so I'll send it on both.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
I'll
that
also
would be
send on the
great.
both way. So wherever
Yeah,
like as per the collab, you can send our services to your client or
correct.
networks, and we can do that like I because I am
Yeah,
already getting some of the names in my head like where we will be
okay.
having our client which who all are having more than 50 plus employees or 30
Hmm.
40 plus employees.
Yeah,
We'll
that
see that.
would also be great.
Yeah.
Yes, it is not only the big corporates, like any of the organization, like having even the, yes, smaller and even mid-level companies also, yes, I collaborate with them. I conduct
Okay.
trainings for them.
Right.
I
Cool.
also conduct offline because I frequently travel to our Mahape Business Park.
Okay.
Over there, I have some clients for
Okay.
whom I deliver the technology trainings regularly.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
Right.
we do that. And yeah, I'll be sharing these and I will also share my social media links so that
Yeah. Yeah.
you may
Sure.
get connected with me so that you will also have glimpse of like what all workshops we
Definitely.
conduct on regular basis. Yeah,
Right.
so that would help.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
it's really great to interact with people like you, sir. Like, I mean, you are an IITian and you have been successfully managing your businesses since last so many years and you are into so many things into like it is a complete world. When I just opened your website, when
Uh,
I was seeing the list of
So
industries and the
no,
list
I
of clients,
this is my one venture. I'm also into two, three more ventures. So I'm into tools.
oh,
I'm into we are in the process of creating a platform like a India Mart. The name of the platform is
Oh,
BizLeads. We are into refurbish electronics and everything like that way.
oh,
And so we are coming up with 2, 3 ventures also. So
great.
this is along with this, we are managing that also. So let's
Yeah,
see.
great.
I
Great to
believe
know
that
that.
our association will have a fruitful result and the mutually win-win outcomes. And then we can see to that how we can take it further. And every week we are meeting, we'll keep discussing and we'll keep doing the brainstorming on the growth chart.
Right, right, sir. So sometime I might also need your service. So I would
Sure,
definitely
sure.
come
No
back to
problem.
you to have
Definitely.
complete details about like how you may help in the digital
Right.
marketing space because you
Yes,
have
sure.
seen my products.
Ah,
Those
yeah.
will be more
Your is the
visible only in digital marketing.
your is the mass market. It's a huge mass market. All the techies
Correct,
will be having that. So it's
correct.
something we can definitely assist you on that like this.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you
And
so much.
shall we take
Yeah.
a photograph, sir? So you
We
may,
can you can just print the screen. That's it.
yeah, I'll be printing the screen. I'm just changing the look. I'm trying to bring it in tile mode because I'm appearing minimized and
No,
you're
I will send you. I will send you. I've already taken the screenshot. So you
okay. You
can
have
just
taken the
see
screenshot.
the camera and then I'll just send it to you.
Yeah, please.
Done.
I've taken the screenshot also.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay. So thank you
yeah,
so much, Anita ji.
yeah.
And we'll catch up later with all more details and more numbers and with the names and all like this way, so that we can share
Mm,
and exchange.
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, Lokesh. Thanks a lot for your
Thank you so
valuable
much.
time. Thank you very much. Yes, definitely we'll catch up later. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Take care.
Thanks a lot. Yeah.
Same here. Bye.
Bye.